Hello, my name is Laura and this is Alex. Our main topic is travels and our subtopic is adventures. So our first question is, why did I choose this topic? And I think it has a lot to do with experiences. I love them, and I think if whenever you have a chance to go travel, I think you should. It's pure love for the soul to go traveling, and it's just a personal opinion that I think everyone should go traveling at some point in their life, because you get to experience a lot of different cultures and to see how other people live and how their country is. And also it's a personal interest for me because I have a lot of family in Australia, and a few in Spain, so of course we visit them a lot. Our second question is different kinds of adventures, and I'd like to tell a story about when I was 6. My family and I went to London for a week, and we visited a lot of museums and heard about Jack the Ripper and other big names from that time in history. And then the year after we went to Turkey, when we went sightseeing and just laid by the pool for 3 days. So that's different adventures, but they're both adventures. And also the picture we have is very symbolic for vacations. I think you can see that she's very happy, and there's a sunset, and I think that's very symbolic for vacations and adventures. So yeah, that's it.
The text we've chosen is about a girl who's recently been on a journey. We don't know where, but yeah. She's very glad to be home, but then at the same time she's not. She feels like she's a whole new person. She feels home, but then again she doesn't. She needs more. She needs more that experiences, and she just wants more that her home can't give her, that her own country can't give her. And she's kind of bored with her friends because they're the same. They've not changed the slightest. And yeah, she just feels like a whole new person. The journey she was on changed her in many ways. She also has all new horizons and new goals for the future.
So the next topic is Denmark, and why does the government pay for the school study trips? For example, at our school they pay for the study trip we have this summer for Berlin.
Next month.
Oh, this next month. And
to Hamburg.
Sorry, that's Hamburg we're going to. So I think they do it because they want the young kids to experience different cultures, as I said before. And I think it's a good way, so I don't have to pay all the time, for example. And just that they put money aside for us to go take a class trip to Hamburg, that's thumbs up. And it's personal preferences also, because I, for example, travel a lot to Australia. I have been. It's been 3 years since I last visited down there. But that's a personal preferences. I also like to go to Malta. I don't have a family there or anything. That's just a vacation where I really can relax, and that's also what vacation's about. And next year We have a friend in our class, Camilla, who is going to London next year as an exchange student and going to school over there. And that's also a big step for a little girl to do. She knows no one, and her host family is someone she'd never met before. So that's kind of, you have to have some guts to do that. And she's also going to return as a completely different girl, because she's going to have a different package back home, not physically but mentally. She's going to grow and be a different person than she was when she left. So that's very, very, how can I put it? That's very brave. Yeah, that's very brave. So I also think that it's good to experience the world and to see different cultures. As the text goes, Claire has been to see different cultures, and it's brave too. And I can understand her feelings, because when I get home from a vacation, I'm not disappointed, but I'm a little sad that it's already over. But at the same time, when you're on a vacation, sometimes you can think, oh, when I'm going to get home and just sleep in my own bed and have all my old stuff that I used to play around with, or my old friends or something like that. So I can understand why she's a little sad about her friends teasing her when she keeps talking and telling stories, because that's what brings the vacation back and not making it stop quite yet. So yeah, I think that's very good. Yes. Bye bye!